This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone supports home screen widgets and that you're on the primary home page. Once done, long press an empty area of the home screen to open the customization menu. This is faster than diving into settings. Tap Widgets or the plus icon to view available widget options. Look for Google, Search, or Google App widgets in the list. These are the components that return the search bar. Now select the one labeled Search or Google search bar to drag the chosen Google search widget onto the home screen where you want quick access. You'll feel it snap into place. Once placed, use the resize handles. Drag outward to widen or inward to shrink, so it fits your layout and leaves space for other icons. Make sure it doesn't overlap an app folder. After positioning, tap the widget once to open configuration if offered. You can pick voice search, shortcuts, or display options. Now your bar is visible and ready to use. Finish by verifying the Google App and Play services are updated. Outdated components often prevent widgets from appearing. If the widget didn't stick, long press it and choose Remove, then re-add it using the same widget menu. If you still can't add it, clear the Google App cache or reinstall the app, then reboot the phone to refresh system services. One key troubleshooting tip: if your launcher blocks widgets, switch to the default launcher temporarily or grant the launcher permission to place widgets, and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.